Hi guys. Welcome to the Cryptolionaire. In this video we will talk about how to make money with dropshipping in 2022. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Let's start. What is dropshipping? Dropshipping is a method of selling goods online, where the merchant does not have to buy the goods beforehand before offering them to buyers. Dropshipping is a form of third-party fulfillment that allows retailers to maintain costs as cheap as possible by having a supplier or manufacturers take care of goods storage, packaging, and shipping, relieving the retailers of that responsibility. A provider, a retailer, the store the customers buy from, and a customer is typically needed when selling both online and through a physical store. Finding a supplier is necessary for online sellers that want to produce their own goods or buy other products at a discount. When a sale is made, the retailer must then keep, package, and ship those things. Third-party fulfillment has become a more affordable option for shipping, packaging, and storage over time. Why not assign the inventory management to a different company so they can handle it, rather than the merchant paying for a warehouse or keeping products in their homes? There are a number of available third-party shipping models. If they are selling on Amazon, many people benefit from Amazon fulfillment. ShipBob, Red Stag Fulfillment, and Shipmonk are further fulfillment-related brands. In general, they all offer excellent prices to complete orders. Another type of third-party fulfillment is dropshipping. In other words, the merchant never receives the goods from the supplier to decide whether to keep the inventory elsewhere. As opposed to this, the suppliers keep their stock and fulfill orders as they come in. How does a dropshipping system usually function? Dropshipping is one of the simplest forms of fulfillment since minimal shipping is required. It's cheap for online retailers, and you don't have to spend much time worrying about packaging or inventory management. Dropshipping works like this. An online retailer finds a supplier willing to start dropshipping. The retailer lists available products on their e-commerce store, spending most of their time and money marketing. When a customer places an order, the supplier gets a notification to fulfill that order. The supplier pulls the inventory from storage, packages it, and ships it directly to the customer. The primary basis behind dropshipping is that the inventory never touches the hands of the actual online retailer. You, the retailer, pick products from the supplier's inventory. You display the products on your website to sell. They handle the rest. However, some dropshipping suppliers make things simple by accepting returns to their warehouses as well. Most dropshippers manage returns. In general, storage, packaging, and shipping expenses are not a concern for the retailer. Not to mention, they don't have to hire employees or devote their own time to running a big organization. Let's start by discussing the advantages of the dropshipping. The fact that dropshipping is likely the least expensive approach to start an internet business is the main factor in its popularity. Any e-commerce business owner can start out small. Every traditional retail establishment is required to maintain ongoing records of the goods they are selling. Inventory management falls under the purview of your third-party provider, as you are merely the vendor. They determine what is available and are in charge of housing it. Let's start by discussing the disadvantages of the drop shipping. It isn't much you can do if a shipment is delayed or if the product's quality is poor. However, communicating with your consumers is entirely up to you as the proprietor of the online store. If you want to succeed at dropshipping, you must be an expert in customer service. The dropshipping model has stiff competition because it is so simple to get started and requires little investment. Selling a unique product can be challenging, and it can be challenging to stand out when dropshipper ads are overrun on social media sites like Facebook. Additionally, as a more recent type of fulfillment, the internet is rife with frauds and false case studies that raise expectations about earning a fortune. Indeed, dropshipping is effective for some companies. It's an intriguing e-commerce business concept that eliminates a lot of operating expenses, since the supplier already owns the storage facility and the packing materials. Is dropshipping legal? Business owners sell goods that they have never even touched. If you're a real business person, you should probably make sure that this is even permitted. Dropshipping is definitely legal. Just keep in mind to follow the law when it comes to the things you offer and the destinations to which you transport them. Laws governing taxation, trade, and licensing vary from nation to nation. If you do your homework, starting a dropshipping business should be rather simple, with a fair amount of ease.